Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you this wonderful groove using the keyboard and playing the lead line on my right and playing the bass on my left hand side. So this is a song by Lillian. It was a praise session. So quickly, let's go to the keyboard. Now I'm doing it in the key of C sharp. Now if you look at my keys here, it's blinking because of the harmony I added. That's the reason for that echo like effect. So it makes it sound like a lead guitar. So I will show you what the left hand will do and what the right hand is going to do. But first, let's learn the right hand solo. So in the key of C sharp, this is my key. Okay, so it goes like this. Remember, yeah, my God is good, oh. So you remember that so. It's after that break. That's when the groove comes in. So. So it starts on the upper G sharp or the saw. So that's the groove. Now I want to put off my harmony so that you can see what the key is doing, so that it won't be blinking. Here's the harmony button. All right. Okay. Better this way. So it goes like this: so, do re do la do re, so ti, so. Do, re, do, la, do, re. That's the first and the second line. So it goes like this. Let's take that one more time. That's the first and the second. Now let's add the third line. This time around is so, do, mi. Then you go back to the do, re, do, la, do, re. Then you end it with the so, ti, so, do, re, do, la, do, re. So everything together. Then you just play that over and over again. Now, after you complete with the last saw, you are not going to play that again. You go to the mi this time around. So something like this. Mi now. So you're just interchanging between the saw and the mi. Now let's go to the left hand quickly before I show you how to combine both hands together. Now my left hand, this is my C sharp. I'm using the split. I splitted the bass. I'm using the bass voice now on my left hand, and it goes like this. This is our bass. So now remember, before the interlude we say so. Then you land on the do. At the moment you land on the do, your hand will start playing. Your right hand start playing. Then when you want to go to the your left hand plays before you now go to the main groove. So just have that in mind. I'll show you how to combine both hands. So now the main groove for the left hand is so do, so do 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 do. Now I'll simplify it a bit. So in the simpler form will be so do 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 do, mi fa la re 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 re, so fa, so do 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 do, mi fa la re 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 re, so fa, just like that. So do 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 do, mi fa la re 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 re, so fa. Now if you can add extra notes like this. So do 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 do, mi la fa. So do 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 do, mi la fa. So re re re, or la re 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 re, so la fa. So instead of la, mi, fa, and so fa, you play extra notes. So do 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 do, mi la fa. So re 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 re. That's the left hand. Now let's see how we can add both hands together. So it goes like this. First, you need to understand the rhythm. Now the left hand starts the groove, even though from the beginning of the song it sounds like it's the right hand that is starting the groove. In the main groove, the left hand starts. So the left hand starts, and the groove starts with the one. So normal Makossa progression. La, fa, so, fa. That's the progression. Fa, so, fa. So we are starting on the do, and this is the do. Remember the right hand groove. So the right hand. Now this is what the left hand plays. Let me break that down a bit. So when you play, the left hand plays, so your right hand starts the groove. So learn that. So your left hand still stays on the one, while your right hand almost completes the groove. You get that? So left hand starts, right hand enters. Then the second part. Now let me play everything slowly. Hey, my Lord is good. Hey. Alright, so that is the groove. It looks a bit simple, but you have to give it some time to rehearse. You have to understand your left and the right hand before you can play it very fast and efficiently. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments if there's any grooves or thing you want me to work on. Please drop it in the comment section below. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video.